Sit in bajrasana. Now take a gap of a forearm between two knees and a forearm and a palm in front of the knees. Try to keep your shoulder above the wrist and your hips above the knees. Now slowly inhale and gaze at the sky. Now slowly exhale and look at the navel region. Feel the stretch. Slowly inhale and exhale. Try to pop up your rib cage. Inhale and arch your back towards the ground and exhale. Try to touch your chin with your upper chest. Inhale and exhale. Feel the stretch along the back. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly come to initial posture, Bajrasana.